Your 2019-2023 Ford Ranger key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When it dies, you'll need to replace it to keep using your keyless entry, remote start, and panic alarm features. No special tools are typically needed. The key fob battery should last 1 to 2 years, but remote start usage can shorten this lifespan. If you have a 2022-2023 Ranger, update your vehicle's software via Ford Sync to potentially extend battery life. You can get a replacement CR2032 battery for under $5 at most auto stores or online. First, locate the small notch on the key fob's seam. This is where you'll insert your tool. Insert a coin or plastic pry tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves. Pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. That's the positive side. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the buttons to make sure everything functions correctly. If you have any issues, try reprogramming the fob through your vehicle's settings or the Ford Pass app.